I have an Owlcrate unboxing. Let's see. This is Eragon by Christopher Paolini. That special edition that they did. They're supposed to be doing the rest of the series too. I can't wait for that. That's the front. The back, it says, "And now for the greatest adventure of all time." I've already read Eragon. I just didn't read the last book, the new one that came out. But I loved Eragon. That's the edges, the top, at the bottom. And it does have a ribbon bookmark in it. This is the hardback. Damia ABR Rider. Don't know how to pronounce it. The back says The Dominance of Fate. End papers. And there's this little thing there. Author letter and the signature. Map. And it does have special, let's see. Okay, so there's one. Special scenes inside. Not on the back, just that. Should be a couple more. There's that one. It's pretty cool. Can't wait for them to do the rest of the series, because I love Eragon. That one. And that's the last one, I believe. So it does have a reversible dust jacket. Saphira. This was a really great series though, so I'm excited that this finally came.